Hey, shalom y'all. Hey guys, it's Fletch. Welcome back to OTH. And today we're out doing some shooting. By the way, every direction right now is safe around me. So we have right here the Starmag. This is a new magazine that is out on the market. The gentleman who created this is a personal friend of mine. He gave me some of these mags and asked me to test them out for him and let him know what I thought. He gave me his permission to share with you guys too how it turns out. And so I've got a 41 round mag. Why 41? Why not? A 30 round mag and then a 10 round mag. And these 10 round mags are great for those of you that live in free states and you can hunt with a 5 or a 10 round magazine. If it has to be a 5, you can just simply put a dowel inside the spring on here and it will limit it to 5, right? It's not rocket science. Similar to how you put a plug or a dowel into your 12 gauge, 20 gauge shotgun, right? When you're bird hunting, because you can only have three rounds or 4 or 5, whatever it is in the state in which you live. But same idea. They're also great for bench rush shooting. So that's what we're going to be testing out today on the homestead, and we'll be sure to let you know how it all turns out, so to speak. Let me give you an up close and personal of the magazines real quick here. So the idea behind, quote unquote Starmag is the stars there on the side, and they're also see-through windows, so you can see that you've got rounds going through there. It is an anti-tilt follower, and I'm trying to stand so I can see this in the camera. It has traction strips on the side here, so if for whatever reason you are, you're trying to clear a jam and you can't get your mag out, there's the ridges along here also that you can grab a hold of to help pull the magazine out if you ever had to. They are designed to be drop free, and in my experiences they are drop free. Pretty much standard fare here. This is the plate release right here for the bottom plate on the mag right there, and they made it into a star too because it's Starmag, right? But in the inside, it is an anti-tilt follower as well, and the springs in here are a higher quality spring than what you'll find in other places at times, and it is a self or oil impregnated spring in there so that it has just enough lubrication that it won't rust. If you're saving them for a quote-unquote rainy day, right? So that's kind of the basics of it, guys. And obviously, it's a polymer mag, but let's try her out and let's see how she shoots. All right, guys, we're going to start out shooting some Federal 55 grain full metal jacket, and we've also got some roll your own soft points and some ballistic tip Federal as well. So this is a 30 round mag. Lock back just like it should. You can see the blue follower in there, anti-tilt follower. 30 rounds. All right, so one of the first things someone's always going to ask is 40 round magazine, but is it any good? Well, let's find out. Smith & Wesson M&P 15 Vortex Strikefire, red dot only with an AR-15 mount. All right guys, and here is the 10 round magazine that I was telling you about. And you can see that even this, there's enough room where you can get a hold of it so that you can easily extract the magazine if you need be, and they're all drop free. They work as they should. So let's try these 10 rounds and see how it goes. Here's a close-up of the follower. Anti-tilt follower. And the whole thing's made in America, guys. It's not assembled in America. Everything is made right here in America. And the magazines themselves are made outside of Bozeman, Montana. Hey guys, and for those of you care, Starmag also makes a 15 round magazine and a 20 round magazine. So they've got what, 10, 15, 20, 30 and 41 round magazines in their first rendition of mags. My understanding in talking to the owner of the company is that they also plan to, sometime in the near future, have a clear mag like you see out there with other brands, as well as possibly even some Glock mags, 9mm, in the near future. So there you are. All right guys, so here we are. This is actually a 15 round magazine in here, and like I said, all the mags are designed to be drop free. Okay guys, here is the 30 round mag, and it is like we talked about before, all of the mags are drop free. Alright guys, this is 41 round mag, and as we've been talking about, this is a drop-free design, so I'm trying to get it so I can hold it without it falling. So what I've been doing is just some shooting and reloading drills, working on skills, polishing them up. So okay guys, so we're continuing to test the Starmag. So in this 41 round mag here, I've got some 55 grain VMAX rounds. Take a close look there. Red polymer tip, those are VMAX 55 grain. So we're going to start out with that, and rather than just shoot rounds and quote-unquote waste them, right, by not really caring, so to speak, right, what we're doing while we're shooting, I usually try to better my skills when I'm out shooting. And so we're going to do some reloads as well. So we've also got some American Eagle. This is the gray polymer tip stuff. You can see it there. I know Doc Tac Dad or something like that has done a review of this ammo, and for the price, guys, it's good ammo. And if you find this available somewhere, I'd recommend you pick some of it up. And sorry for the sniffles, guys. The wind is blowing out here, and it's in the mid to upper 40s, so it's not exactly warm. And I'll try to edit out as much of the sniffles as I can, but if a few of them stay in there, you'll understand. And these guys, these right here, are some Fletch Especial roll your own. And no, those cases aren't, shall we say, tarnished. That's annealing, and those are top of the line annealed cases for reloading. And that's a 55 grain soft point that also has a conlure on it. So it's a pretty devastating round. And because I can't really keep my mic from getting in places that I don't really want it to be, I'm not going to be working on reloading fast, just making sure that I'm going through the steps properly. Make sure I got these things the right way. All right. I just had tangled in my mic cord. These are soft points. I don't know if you guys could tell the difference in the report and the kickback, but on the Fletch Especials, I could really notice it. How about you guys? All right, guys, so there you have it. All three of the magazines with, you know, different varying types of ammunition in there. They all have ran perfectly. And for you know, a first look, initial review, I can tell you they're definitely worth looking at.